Okay, let's drill down and let's have a look at where we are. There's the United States, there's the great state of Kansas, and there is the lovely metropolis of Topeka. And so when I do this, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll start looking at exactly where we happen to be, and then I'll bounce over to the ancient Near East and look at the Al-Aqsa Mosque or the Pyramid of Giza or whatever. Because let's see, this is where we are right now in Henderson Hall. What if I were to type in Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem? Take me there. Whee! Yeah. And let's make sure, I didn't mean to do that, hang on. I can get rid of there we go. Expand that, let's do, oh we do have 3D buildings, okay, great. I don't do a lot of my video recording on this machine. I use my desktop that I get through campus. So.
And so now what you'll do is when you save that, you'll actually upload it to your.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yada yada yada. There we go. And then I can back out. And then if I want to pivot from that into a PowerPoint, I can already have that set up, and then I can open up a PowerPoint and lecture out of that.
So when you send it from your YouTube